Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 17 perimeter and area in that exercise 17a. So next question, Sonu bought a tablecloth 2.25 meter long and 1.75 meter wide. She wanted to put lace around it. How many meters of lace would she have to buy? Also find how much would the lace cost if it cost rupees 14.50 per meter. So a tablecloth. Sonu bought a tablecloth which is rectangular in shape. Okay, its length is 2.25 meter and the width is 1.75 meter. Okay, now she wanted to put lace around it. So around this rectangular tablecloth she wanted to put lace. Okay, so how many meters of lace would she have to buy? Okay, so in order to find how many meters of lace would she have to buy, you have to know this perimeter of the tablecloth. Okay, perimeter of tablecloth, how can you find it? It is in the shape of a rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle you can use formula. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length it is 2.25 plus breadth it is 1.75. So 2 into 2.25 plus 1.75, it is 4. Okay, 2 into 4 equal to 8 meter you will get. Okay, so perimeter, if you know the perimeter of tablecloth, perimeter means the length of sum of length of all its sides. Okay, it is 8 meter. Therefore, how many meters of lace she have to buy to put around this table? It will be equal to the perimeter of tablecloth. Okay, ഈ ടേബിൾ ക്ലോത്തിന് ചുറ്റുമാണ് ലേസ് ഇടുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ആ ലേസിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത്തും ടേബിൾ ക്ലോത്തിൻ്റെ പെരിമീറ്ററിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത്തും ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഈ ടേബിൾ ക്ലോത്തിൻ്റെ പെരിമീറ്ററിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലെങ്ത്തിലുള്ള ലേസ് അത്രയായിരിക്കും വേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, അതാണ് ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. Therefore, how many meters of lace? The length of lace required equal to its perimeter of the tablecloth, that is 8 meter. Okay, also find how much would the lace cost if it cost rupees 14.50 per meter. So 1 meter of lace, it cost rupees 14.50. It is given in the question. Okay, it cost rupees 14.50 per meter. That means for 1 meter of lace it cost rupees 14.50. So here how many meters of lace is required? It is 8 meter. Okay, so what is the cost of this 8 meter of lace? Okay, that you need to find here. So 1 meter cost rupees 14.50. So 8 meter of lace cost 8 into 14.50. This much rupees. Okay, you will get rupees 116. Okay, 8 into 1450, you will get the answer 11,600. But here after decimal point 2 digits are there. So in the answer also after decimal point 2 digits. Okay, so the answer is rupees 116. Okay, the lace cost rupees 116 if it cost rupees 14.50 per meter. Okay. 8th question, it is not needed. Okay. Next topic, area. So area. The amount of surface enclosed within the boundary of a figure is called its area. So let us consider a triangle. So this area of triangle means the amount of surface enclosed. This surface, this is the area of triangle, this shaded region. So amount of surface enclosed, how much is enclosed in this triangle? This is the area of triangle. Perimeter means length of this boundary. Area means the region enclosed within this boundary. Okay, how much region is inside this triangle? That is the area of triangle. Perimeter means length of its boundary, length of its this sides. Okay, now area of square means how much surface is enclosed inside the square. Okay, this will be the area of square. Okay, now the unit of area, it will be centimeter square or meter square. Okay, unit of perimeter, it will be centimeter or meter. Unit of area will be centimeter square or meter square. Okay. Now exercise 17b not needed. Next topic, area of rectangle. Okay, in order to find the area of rectangle, there is one formula. You know about rectangle, this is length. The longest side it is the length and shortest side it is breadth. Okay, if you know the length and breadth of a rectangle, you can find the area of rectangle. The formula it is area equal to length into breadth. Okay, if we denote area by A equal to length by L, breadth by B, area of rectangle equal to L into B. Okay, this formula you should know. Okay, area of rectangle formula it is area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Now if we know area and length, you can find breadth of a rectangle. Okay, so if you know the area and breadth, length of a rectangle equal to area by breadth. Okay, this is the formula for finding the length of a rectangle if area and breadth is known. If you know the length and area of a rectangle. Okay, area of a rectangle and length it is given, you have to find the breadth. In that case, you can use the formula breadth equal to area by length. Okay, so area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Now length equal to area by breadth, breadth equal to area by length. These three formulas you should know. Okay, next area of square. Now area of a square, there is one formula. Area of a square equal to side into side. Okay, side into side. If you know the side of a square, area of a square equal to side into side. If the side of a square, let us take a 5 meter. Therefore, area of square will be 5 into 5, 25. Unit will be meter square. Okay, unit of area it is centimeter square or meter square. Okay, so if the square side it is 5 meter means area will be 25. 5 into 5, 25 meter square. Okay. Exercise 17C. First question. Determine the area of rectangles whose length and breadth respectively are. In that A, length equal to 10 meter, breadth equal to 7 meter. So you have to find the area. So you know area of a rectangle, it is length into breadth, L into B. Let us give length as L and breadth as B. Okay, L into B. So length it is 10 into breadth it is 7. So 10 into 7, 70. Now what will be the unit here? Length is in meter, breadth is in meter. So the area will be meter square. Okay, 70 meter square is the area of rectangle. Next in that B, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeter. You have to find the area. So area of rectangle, you know the formula length into breadth. Okay, you can use either capital letter or small letter to denote length and breadth. Okay, so area of rectangle, the formula it is length into breadth. Here length is 15, breadth is 20. So 15 into 20 you will get 300. Now what will be the unit here? Both length and breadth are in centimeter. So the unit will be centimeter square. Okay, area of rectangle equal to 300 centimeter square. Next, E. In that E, 8 decimeter, 6 decimeter. Okay, length is 8 decimeter, breadth is 6 decimeter. So how can you find the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle formula, it is length into breadth. So length it is 8 decimeter, 8 into breadth it is 6 decimeter. So 6. 8 into 6, what you will get? 48. Now what will be the unit here? Decimeter. Both length and breadth are in decimeter. So the unit will be decimeter square. So 48 decimeter square is the answer. Okay. Next, in that H, 5 meter 25 centimeter. Now listen, here length is given in meter, breadth is given in centimeter. Okay, so you have to make the unit same first. Okay, unit, either you have to make it centimeter or you have to make it meter. Okay, either you can convert this meter to centimeter or this centimeter to meter. Anything you can do. So let us convert this 5 meter to centimeter. What is 5 meter? How can you convert 5 meter to centimeter? Just multiply by 100. 5 into 100, you will get 500 centimeter. Okay. Now you got length in centimeter, breadth is also in centimeter. Now you can find the area. Area formula, it is L into B. So length it is 500 centimeter. So 500 into breadth it is 25 centimeter. So 25. Now 500 into 25. You will get 12,500. Now what will be the unit here? It is centimeter square. Okay. So this will be the area in centimeter square. Now second question, determine the area of a square whose one side is, in that for A, 1 meter 10 centimeter. Okay, the side of a square, one side of a square, it is given 1 meter 10 centimeter. You have to find the area of square. Okay, so here 1 meter 10 centimeter. Let us convert this to centimeter. Okay, this meter, 1 meter you can convert to centimeter. 1 meter it is 100 centimeter plus this 10 centimeter. You will get 110 centimeter. Okay, so side equal to 110 centimeter. You have to find the area of square. What is the formula for finding the area of square? It is side into side. This is the formula for finding the area of a square whose side is given. Okay, side into side, you will get the area of square. So side it is 110 centimeter. So you can substitute 110 into 110. You will get 12100. That is 12,100. Now what will be the unit here? Here this is in centimeter, 110 centimeter. So the unit will be centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of a square whose side is 110 centimeter or 1 meter 10 centimeter. Okay. Next B, 2 centimeter 4 millimeter. Sorry, this is C question. Okay, 2 centimeter 4 millimeter. So you can convert the centimeter to millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter it is 10 millimeter. So in order to convert 2 centimeter to millimeter, just multiply by 10. Okay, 2 into 10 millimeter it is, plus this 4 millimeter. Okay, in order to convert centimeter to millimeter, just multiply by 10. So 2 centimeter it is 2 into 10 millimeter plus this 4 millimeter. Okay, so 2 into 10 it is 20 millimeter plus 4 millimeter. What you will get? 24 millimeter. This is the side of square. One side of square. Now you can find the area. Area it is side into side. This is the formula for finding the area of a square whose side is given. So what you will get? Side it is 24 into 24. What is 24 into 24? It is 576. Okay, so 576, what will be the unit? Here millimeter, 24 millimeter. So here millimeter square. Okay, so 576 millimeter square is the area of a square whose side is 24 millimeter or 2 centimeter 4 millimeter. Okay, next E 1 meter 6 decimeter. Now let us convert this meter to decimeter. Okay, so you know 1 meter is 10 decimeter. So in place of this 1 meter we can write 10 decimeter. Okay, it is 10 decimeter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. So in place of this 1 meter we can write 10 decimeter plus this 6 decimeter. So 10 plus 6, 16 decimeter. This is the side of square. Now what will be the area? If a side is given means area formula it is side into side. Okay. Now side into side, side it is 16 into 16. What is 16 into 16? It is 256. Okay. Here unit is decimeter. So here a unit of area will be decimeter square. Okay. So 256 decimeter square will be the area of square whose side is 16 decimeter or 1 meter 6 decimeter. Okay. In that F. Side it is given 3.5 meter. So how can you find the area of a square? It is the formula, it is side into side. So 3.5 into 3.5. You will get 12.25. 35 into 35 it is 1225. Here after decimal point 1 digit. Here also after decimal point 1 digit. So total 1 plus 1 2 digits should come after decimal point. Okay, so 12.25. Now what will be the unit here? Unit side is given in meter. So unit will be meter square. Okay, so 12.25 meter square is the area of a square whose side is 3.5 meter. Next, third question, study and complete the table. In that first column length is given, second column breadth, third column area, fourth column rough calculation. So in that A, length is given 50 centimeter, breadth you have to find, area is given 300 centimeter square. So how can you find? Here you have to find the breadth. Okay, given area and length. Okay, so you know if length and area is given, you can find the breadth by using the formula area by length. This is the formula. Okay, if area of a rectangle and length of a rectangle is given and you have to find the breadth means you can use this formula. Breadth equal to area by length. So what is area here? 300. Okay, 300 is the area and length it is 50. So 300 by 50 you have to do here. Okay, what is 300 by 50? It is 6. Now what is the unit here? Here length is centimeter, area is in centimeter square. So breadth will be in centimeter. Okay, so here the answer is 6 centimeter. Okay, next B, you have to find the length. Breadth it is 12 meter. Area it is 156 meter square. Okay, area is given, breadth is given. You have to find the length. So how can you find the length if area and breadth is given? L equal to A by B. This is the formula. Okay, these formulas you should study. Length equal to area by breadth. Area it is 156. Breadth it is 12. So 156 by 12. What you will get? It is 12 1 12, 36, 13 you will get. 13. And what will be the unit here? Here unit of breadth it is meter. So length will be in meter. Okay, both the length and breadth should have the same unit. So here the answer is 13 meter. Okay. Now in that C, length is not given. You have to find that. Breadth is given 21 meter. Area is given 504 centimeter square. Listen, this is not 504 centimeter square. It is 504 meter square. So please change it. Length is not given. Breadth is 21 meter. Area is 504 meter square. Okay. Now you have to find the length here. So you know the formula. Length equal to area by breadth. Now what is area here? It is 504 meter square. Breadth it is 21. So 504 by 21 you will get 24 meter will be the unit. Here breadth is given in meter. So unit of length will be meter. Okay. So here the answer is 24 meter. Okay. Next word problems. Fourth question. Mr. Said has a beautiful lawn in his garden. Its area is 98 meter square and its length is 40 meter. What is its breadth? So here rectangular garden it is. Okay. Its area is given 98 meter square and length it is given 14 meter. You have to find the breadth of that garden. Okay. So how can you find the breadth? If area and length it is given, you know the formula. Breadth equal to area by length. Okay. So area it is given 98. You can write that. Length it is given 14. So 98 divided by 14 you have to do. Okay. We will get a 7. Unit will be meter. Here length is 14 meter. So breadth will be in meter. The answer is 7 meter. Okay. Now fifth question. The size of a square field is 35 meter long. Find the area of the field. Find also the cost of leveling the field at the rate of ₹5 per square meter. So the size of a square field is 35 meter long. That means the side, length of its side it is 35 meter. Okay, side of a square it is 35 meter. You have to find the area of field. Now how can you find the area of a square? If its a side is given, you know the formula. Area of a square it is side into side. Okay, this is the formula. So side it is 35 meter. So area will be 35 into 35. You will get 1225. What will be the unit? Here meter square. Okay. Side is given in meter. So the unit of area will be meter square. 1225 meter square is the area of the square field. Okay. In that one more question is given. Find also the cost of leveling the field at the rate of ₹5 per square meter. That is leveling the field means plowing the field. We can say. Okay, plowing the plowing the field per square meter it is ₹5. That is for leveling 1 meter square it cost ₹5. 1 meter square leveling ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ₹5 ആണ് കോസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ടോട്ടൽ കോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ലെവലിംഗ് ദ ഹോൾ ഫീൽഡ്? അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ വി ഫൈൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് 1225 meter square. So you have to find for leveling 1225 meter square what is the cost. Okay, per meter for 1 meter square it is ₹5. So 1225 meter square, how can you find? Just multiply 1225 into 5. So what you will get? 1225 into 5. 25, 12, 11, 51516. It is ₹6125. Okay. 1 meter square leveling ചെയ്യാൻ ₹5 ആണെന്ന് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ ഫുൾ ഫീൽഡ് ലെവലിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ എത്രയായിരിക്കും കോസ്റ്റ്? അപ്പോൾ അത് എത്ര മീറ്റർ സ്ക്വയറിലുള്ള ഫീൽഡ് ആണെന്ന് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഏരിയ 1225 meter square. So 1200 meter square leveling ചെയ്യാൻ it will be 1225 into 5. You will get ₹6125. Okay. Sixth question. A swimming pool is 15 meter long and covers an area of 135 meter square. Find its breadth. So, swimming pool is in rectangle shape. First, you should understand that. Its length is given 15 meter. Okay, a swimming pool is 15 meter long means its length is 15 meter and covers an area of 135 meter square. That is area of that swimming pool, it is 135 meter square. Find its breadth. You have to find the breadth of the swimming pool. So how can you find the breadth if area and length is given? The formula you know, breadth equal to area by length. Okay, area it is 135 and length it is 15. So 135 by 15 you have to do. Okay. You will get 9. Now unit will be meter. Okay, here length is in meter, so breadth will be in meter only. So 9 meter is the breadth of the swimming pool. In that one more question is given, also find its perimeter. So we know swimming pool is in rectangle shape, its length is 15 meter. Breadth we find it 9 meter. Okay, so breadth equal to 9 meter. You have to find the perimeter of this swimming pool also. Okay, so how can you find the perimeter of a rectangle? You know the formula. This is rectangle. Okay, rectangular swimming pool. So perimeter of rectangle it is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length it is 15 meter. So L 15 plus breadth it is 9 meter. So you can write B equal to 9. Okay, 2 into 15 plus 9. So 2 into 15 plus 9 it is 24. Now 2 into 24 it is 48. Now unit will be meter. Okay, length and breadth both are in meter. So unit of perimeter will be meter. So 48 meter. This is the perimeter of swimming pool. Okay. Exercise 17C. Remaining problems of question 1, 2 and 3 you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.